Hello folks. So I'm doing more experiment with my GPS Sony camera mounted on my ESky D700. I wanted to see how fast it would go. Well, when I came in the last time to hover inverted just in front of me, the motor quickly decreased speed and the battery died. I quickly had to decide whether to roll out or just to try to land inverted. Here's what happened. I'm going to point out that all helicopters vibrate. Even if they're looking pretty smooth, there's a vibration in there. And you'd feel it if you ever flew in a real one. You'd be quite surprised. Well, that said, you're going to see a lot of vibration in this video. Enjoy the flight and the landing. You know, I gotta tell you, it's a pretty sinking feeling when you know you're going to crash and there's nothing you can do. Not much damage except for my ego for not landing before it was too late. But that's part of the learning curve, and you'd think I'd know that by now.